To reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Toyota CHR, without your foot on the brake, you're going to press the push to start button 2 times to go into accessory mode. Once you're in accessory mode, you're going to use the trip button on the steering wheel to go to trip A. Once you're in trip A, you're going to press the push to start button to turn the vehicle off. Then to reset the maintenance light, you're going to hold down the trip button and go to accessory mode at the same time. You'll continue to hold down the trip button until the screen clears.